I mean, oh my god.
Let's just take a look.
God damn! Oh! Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Mimi here.
Jesus! Chai! Really, nigga?
Today I'm coming back at it again with another thing.
Got it!
But yeah, so today I'm gonna be trying out the like at-home sugar wax. So it's literally 3 ingredients: sugar, water, lemon, and I'm gonna make this concoction into a wax. And I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna go for it and get these things right because they look like beady beads. Like, why is my armpit hair so curly? Obviously, I'm not a professional. I'ma just say that right now. Okay, so I've heard a lot of good things about waxing in general and even sugar waxing. Honestly, it's 2020. Shaving is the ghetto. And I shave. Like, I just think about how I used to get waxes and I think like, is it by force? Like, is it by force? It's not by force. So that's why I've just been relaxing. I've been relaxing, as you can see. I've been doing good relaxation. Before I dig deep into like all the benefits of a sugar wax, I'm basically gonna kind of explain what a sugar wax is. A sugar wax is an all-natural hair removal process that involves applying a sugar-based wax to the skin. When the wax is removed, then your hair is removed. Number one, they're natural. I'm using all natural ingredients. I'm not using any chemicals. Also, waxing is just way better than shaving for a plethora of reasons. Shaving can be really bad to your skin. You can be prone to ingrown hairs. You can be prone to ingrown hairs, which can be painful and annoying sometimes. So I used to get really bad ingrown hairs, and that was just because of improper shaving. And I do recommend that if you do want to shave, using like a men's razor. Men's razors are always better. Or also using like a razor with a ton of blades. Like with the razor that I have is like 5 blades, so it works really well. What the heck? So yeah, we're just gonna get into that process right now. I'm gonna start boiling and doing everything that needs to be done with the sugar wax. So let's just get into that. Okay, hello guys. So now I'm in my kitchen. You know, like with all schmidl, you know how they do, you know how they do. You know how we do. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, for the normal recipe, you're typically gonna use 1 cup sugar, a 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice, or a 1/4 cup of water. But since I'm trying this out for the first time, I'm just gonna like half the recipe. So yeah, that's the mixture there. Let's get a spoon and stir it up. Okay, so I just made the mixture and now I'm just gonna boil it. I know this is a big pot, but smaller pot is dirty and I don't feel like washing it right now, so we're just gonna use the big pot. I don't think the size of the pot matters. We're gonna put the fire on medium heat. Just literally want to get it to a boil, and then as soon as it starts boiling and like getting golden, like the minute it starts to turn a little bit of golden, I'm gonna take it off the fire. Not just turn off the fire, but literally take it off the fire, because I don't want to burn the mixture, because I guess burning it is bad. So yeah. Oh, she's starting to boil. Golden. It's definitely golden. I definitely think some parts cooked more than others, but that's okay. I'm just gonna take it out now. Okay, so this is the finished product. We're just gonna see, I'm just supposed to let it cool, and it should solidify as it cools. And then we'll be ready for a wax, bye-bye.
A few moments later.
Okay, so like as you can see, it's pretty hard now. So I think it's good enough to do the wax. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start. Also, the girl who I watched on YouTube says she put like cornstarch or like baby powder, but I don't have that, so I'm just gonna use this like powder. Hopefully that's okay to use, just to make sure that the area is like not moist. I don't know. So I'm using this Coty Airspun powder because I don't have baby powder or cornstarch like the girl that I watched did or used. I'm just gonna like take some of this, put it in my hand. It's pretty warm. Oh, it's so sticky and hot. Oh my God. Honestly, when I saw the girl do this, she also used water. So like, maybe that's my first mistake. I'm just gonna go rinse my hands and then we're gonna try this again. So my hands are wet, so this is working a lot easier. This is just what I saw this girl do. I will put the link to her YouTube channel in the description bar, just so you guys can see like the actual video. But I'm just trying this, you know? We're just gonna see how it works. So she says to go opposite your hair. Oh boy. Here goes nothing. Oh, golly. Oh, it's stuck. Oh my God, it's stuck. What do I do? Oh no. This is not good. Oh my gosh, I'm getting this stuff all over my floor. Oh no, this is not good. Oh my God, I'm gonna literally like stick my armpit together. Why did I do this? I'm just gonna put more on. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, crud! Mother of... Oh my God! Is it hot here or is it just me? I'm sweating now. Oh my goodness, you guys. Okay, I'm gonna try one more time with this like glob that's right here. Oh! God, that hurts so... I thought this wasn't supposed to hurt! I think... Oh my God, some hair came out. I'm gonna try to wash this off in the bathroom. Oh my gosh, it is stuck to my hair like bad. My body temperature is warming it up. It needs to be like more tacky. So I'm just gonna rinse it. But honestly, when I put water over it, it gets hard, not like soft. But I just like hop in the shower right now. I'm gonna try to put cold water on it. I don't know if this is like making it better or worse. I think the cold water is gonna like harden it. Also, it should just like rip off. So here goes 1, 2, 3. Oh, crud. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Why would I choose to do this to myself? Like, I don't understand. God damn! Oh!
Shit! I'm dying!
Oh my God! The hair's coming off though. Okay, here we go. Oh, that one burned. Oh. Okay. No pain, no gain. No pain, no gain. Oh my God. I just legit waxed myself. Like, just look at that. There's so much hair in there. Ew. I don't know why I didn't think this was gonna be painful. Like, for some reason in my head, I just thought it wasn't gonna be painful. I don't know, maybe because it's sugar, I just thought like it wouldn't hurt or something. Okay, take a deep breath. Oh my! Oh! Whoa! Okay, that did it! I wish this was done. I don't even know if I can do my other armpit, but look at the difference. That's impressive. There's still some hair, obviously. That's just what you get for being a dumbass. That wasn't that bad. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little lightheaded. And now my armpit is burning. So we're gonna try this other side. I don't know why I'm doing this to myself again. Okay, let me think this through before I do it, because this is my left hand. So like, if I do it with my left hand, like, am I gonna be able to rip it off? I'm scared. I think I'm gonna do a little chunk to start. Oh, it is so hard now. Like, literally, it is. But you know what? I don't care that it's not perfect because I'm not going anywhere. I think this concoction is gonna be so much better because it's thick, like, shorty thick. Oh! So let's go ahead and grab some powder. I'm just gonna try this again. She be making it look so easy, I swear. I just, as you guys can tell, don't really know what I'm doing. So she just like works it in there. And then, whoa! Oh my golly! Woo, child! Who sent me? Who really sent me to come and do this? Because of coronavirus, I'm bored. Now I'm ripping the hairs off my skin. Eh? This is where they say, go and read your book. Instead for me, a whole university student, instead for me to be reading my books, see what I'm doing? The one don't pass me. Like, it hurts. Like, I don't know why I thought that it wasn't gonna hurt. But it hurts, and it's not that bad. Like, it's just a quick sting, like right when you do it. But the thing is that I'm not going to suffer for this video because I've suffered enough. And it's not by force. Like, I'm gonna be home. So, you know what? In short, I'll just leave the other one. Just want to let you guys know, I still have a lot of the mixture left in here. It's really hard, you guys. I'm sure I could eat this. I mean, it's literally just sugar that I've made into like a syrup. Isn't this how caramels are made? Should I try it? Let's just take a lick. It tastes like the Lindell's cough drop or whatever it is. They're like the bougie cough drops. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Okay, son. Okay, son. So, yeah, I'm just done being extra.